In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule form availability in Typeform step by step. If you want your form to open or close automatically at specific times, this feature is perfect for registrations, promotions, applications, or limited time surveys. First, open your Typeform account and go to your workspace. Then open the form you want to schedule. Once you're inside the form builder, go to the settings section of your form. Look for options related to availability, publishing, or response settings. Now find the scheduling or close date feature. This allows you to control when your form stops accepting responses automatically. Next, choose the date and time when you want the form to close. Once that time is reached, Typeform will automatically disable new submissions. Some setups also allow you to control when the form becomes available. This is useful if you want to launch a form at a specific time without manually publishing it. After setting the schedule, customize the message users will see once the form is closed. For example, you can display messages like "Registrations are now closed" or "This survey is no longer available." If you're running an event or campaign, always double-check your time zone settings to make sure the form opens and closes at the correct time. Next, preview the form and review your scheduling settings carefully before publishing. For more advanced scheduling and automation, you can also connect Typeform with tools like Zapier to automatically trigger emails, notifications, or workflows when the form opens or closes. Once everything looks correct, publish your form and let the schedule handle the rest automatically. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled form availability in Typeform and automated when users can access your form. And that's how you schedule form availability in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.